Now we are going to discuss about the very important topic, that is profit and wealth maximization approach. It is very important topic from your examination point of view. As we have discussed earlier, the traditional approach and the modern approaches of financial management. So profit maximization is a yardstick which is used for economic efficiency of a firm. It is the implied objective that every firm has to receive profit, whereas wealth maximization is the wealth of the shareholders. It is how much company has reinvested its profit and created its wealth. If profit is not converted into wealth, then profit becomes only the profit. That is why profit is a narrow objective and wealth maximization is a broader objective. So wealth maximization is basically the present value of all future cash flows in the form of dividend or the benefit expected by them. It is known as the market value of shares. So market value of share is total number of shares issued in the market multiplied by price per share, that is known as wealth. What is the point which are in the favor of profit maximization is profit maximization is the obvious objective that every firm has to receive some profit. So, and it is also a barometer for economic prosperity. For success of any business, profit is required. Profit is required for the variable business condition when it is recession, that it is obviously the profit which help an organization. Profit, if invested, helps in the growth of business, and profit is also used for the social obligation or for meeting the obligations of the society. So the profit maximization, these are some of the points which are in profit maximization favor. But there are also some lacunas in profit maximization, that profit does not tell whether it is short-term profit or it is long-term profit the company is talking about. It does not consider time value of money and risk and uncertainty. That is why profit is a narrow objective of the firm. So these are some of the cons of the profit maximization approach. Now, wealth maximization, it is the shareholder fund. Again, I am telling which is represented by the present value of all future cash flow. It is the market value of share. When the firm invests its profit, it creates its wealth. So wealth maximization is the obvious objective of any organization. The points which are in favor of wealth maximization is which are the lacunas in profit maximization. It is not a vague concept. जैसे प्रॉफिट में तो था कि ये आफ्टर टैक्स लेना है, बिफोर टैक्स लेना है, लॉन्ग टर्म लेना है या शॉर्ट टर्म लेना है. वेल्थ मैक्सिमाइजेशन में इट इज़ अ क्लियर कंसेप्ट दैट इट हैज़ टू टेक द wealth of the shareholders, or you can say that the market value of shares, or can say the capitalization, total capitalization of a firm in the market. It does not ignore time value of money. It also does not ignore the risk of prospective investment. It also does not ignore the financing aspects कि पैसा कहाँ से आना है. It is a wider concept and it is a long-term profit of the organization. It is not the short-term profit. So wealth maximization is a broader concept than profit maximization. The only criticism to this particular approach is that to create a wealth, it is not an easy task. It leads to manager frustration and anxiety. So that is profit and wealth maximization. Rather, it is a short concept, but it is very important when it comes to the organization's point of view.